Hi all, today I will show you how to install Cowabunga Online on iOS 18 running iPhone. Search this keyword, Cowabunga Online, and head into iOS 18 Pangu 8 page. Open the Pangu 8 and select Jailbreak Solutions. Now tap on Cowabunga Online. Open the Cowabunga app and select Get Zip File. Download your favorite theme. Go back to Home, and choose the zip file you downloaded into Files. Now you can verify and install the theme on your device. You have successfully installed it. Take a look. So you can experience these on your iOS 18 iPhone. Install Cowabunga and enjoy. Goodbye for now.